This Faceless YouTube channel started posting AI stories 2 months ago, and they're already making over $20,000 a month. And they're not the only one. This AI channel is making $50,000 a month, while this one is making over $10,000 a month. And they all had 0 subscribers 2 months ago. So in this video, I want to show you how to actually start your very own YouTube automation channel using this AI method. And this is coming from someone who's been doing YouTube automation for almost 7 years now. Not only have I done it for myself, but I also have thousands of beginners do the same. And so in this free step-by-step tutorial, we will do literally everything from using AI to create the channel, writing scripts using AI, and of course creating that first video without shuffling face, and then making money on YouTube with YouTube automation. By the end of this video, you will literally have your very own YouTube automation channel for free. Now here's an example channel over here, and they have 300,000 subscribers posting these cat videos. Now you can see that some of their most popular videos got millions of views, and if you open them up, you can see that this is fully AI generated and they're not really showing their face. Now, according to Social Blade, they're making $10,000 a month, while this channel over here is one with 3.6 million views. And according to Social Blade, they already made $100,000. And here's another channel here with 87 faceless videos. And look at how simple these are. I'm going to show you different AI tools that you can use to create exactly the same thing. And as you can see, this one is making $22,000 per month, while this channel over here has 27 videos. Some of their most popular ones have 1.4 million views, and this one has over 1 million subscribers posting these AI stories. We completed the step number 1. Let's go step number 2, choose a channel name. You can go to ChatGPT and you can paste that prompt here. Now this is going to give you different channel name ideas because as you can see, all of these channels have different names. So now we're going to use one of these. Step number 3 is to download this document as a PDF file. Now this is a transcript of all of the videos from all of these different channels, so I spend hours getting word for word what these videos talked about, and I put them into this document so that we can better understand how they're actually getting these results. So you can click on File, click Download, and download this as a PDF document. Step number 4, now we need to write a script. Depending on what kind of story you're trying to tell with your video, but this should always stay the same. I gave it a structure, a formula that I know performs well for my faceless channels, gets me views, and you can use the same prompt. You can just go over to ChatGPT like this, and you can paste the prompt. Again, you can adjust it as you wish. You can change anything you want to this instruction depending on what kind of story you're trying to tell. But I'm essentially just telling you that we need a really good hook. We need this to be at least 1.5 thousand words long, be as good as possible. And as you can see, it starts writing a script. We have the hook, we have the intro, and then it introduces a problem or a challenge in that story, exploration and development of that plot. And then later on, it's going to do a climax, and then it's actually going to end the right way. Now, once I have this script, the very next step that we have to complete is to put this into ChatGPT. So we're going to need these prompts because if you go back to these channels, you can see that all of this was AI generated. These images were made with an AI tool that I want to share with you how to use, basically asking ChatGPT to create a prompt for each scene from the script that it previously made. And here we have these prompts, so now once we have that, step number 6 is to generate these images. And we're going to do that into this AI tool called Leonardo AI. So click on Launch the app. That's going to bring you to this website over here, where once you create an account, they give you about 150 credits every day. So just click on the image creation, and then you can select just Leonardo Phoenix, so that model is probably the best for this. And then we're going to go back to ChatGPT. We're going to take the first prompt, which is the first scene, and we're just going to paste that prompt here and click Generate. Now make sure that your image dimensions are 16.9, and you're selecting the medium size as well. Now it's going to take about a minute for them to generate the first scene. While in the meantime, I go back and I copy the next prompt for the second scene and the second sentence of the script. And I'm going to paste that here and click Generate. Now here we have the first scene, by the way, so I'm going to download this image, and in the meantime, we're going to wait for the next one to be generated. And I'm going to go back and take the prompt number 3. Now we basically need to copy and paste every single prompt that ChatGPT gave to us, put it into Leonardo AI so that we can create a full video with a bunch of these different images. Step number 7, we need to find some emotional music. For corporate free music, I just go to pixabay.com/music, and then right over here we can also select a genre. Let's listen to a few of these examples. Let's check out some sad music. This is actually good. So I'm going to download this one. It's corporate free. So we go back. Step number 7 has been completed. Now step number 8, to generate a voiceover based on the scripts that we got from ChatGPT. So we go back to the ChatGPT section, and then we'll just start getting the script. So you scroll up to get the script. Again, we have the first hook, which is the first sentence. We go click and go to the app. And let's first listen to the voiceovers that these guys are using on videos to get millions of views. So this YouTube channel gets 33 million views per month hosting simple AI-generated YouTube. You can find something similar. This is kind of robotic, but okay, so they're using a female voice. So I'm going to go back here and I'm going to try and find something that will be pretty cool for this. So let's scroll through these. Kindness is more important. I kind of like this voice, so I'm going to paste the hook, click on Generate Speech, and we're going to wait about a second for it to generate a voiceover. So now we can download it. Let's actually listen to it, everything you've ever known. And then just when you think it's over, a miracle happens. Now we just need to go back to ChatGPT and get each section copied and pasted into 11 labs, generate a speech for each section, and download it using the download button. So now I'm going to download this as well, collecting all of the shots from ChatGPT. Now we're going to go start editing this video. For this, I just use CapCut because it's absolutely free and it's pretty easy to use. So just click and create a new video, 16.9 for YouTube, and then I upload all the media that I just downloaded. Now to add some animations and transitions to these, I basically just click Animate Combo, and then I just like to select some of the zoom ones. We can also add some effects. If we go to the Filters or Effects section over here, we can search for rain to just drag and drop that here. And you see it's going to start animating the video for us. And a really cool thing about CapCut as well is that on the left-hand side, you're going to click on Captions, click Auto Captions, click Generate, and it's going to add those captions that they are also using on those channels. So what's also important is that you go to the animation section over here and you're going to select the bounce animation, and that's going to be showing only one word on a screen at the time. So now click on text. Now you can just change the font. You can also add some shadow to this text. I also forgot our sad and emotional song from Pixabay. Just when you upload a music, make sure to click on it, click on Basic, and just lower it down to at least -15 decibels. And let's listen to it now. Now, once you're done creating your video and you have these animations and captions and it's longer than 30 minutes, then you can just click on Export and just click Download. Then select an ADP resolution, 60 FPS frame rate, format MP4, and click Export. For the next step, we need to create a thumbnail for these YouTube videos. Those are these images that show up before someone clicks. And what I like to do is I like to go to these successful channels and I like to look into what has performed well for them. And then I try to replicate something similar. So if their most popular video is this cat over here, I will just screenshot that thumbnail. I will go back to ChatGPT, click Attach the file, upload from computer, and just double-click on that screenshot and say, write a prompt to generate this image with Leonardo AI, and it's going to take it about a second. And I'm just going to take that prompt from here and I'm going to copy and paste it into Leonardo. I'm just going to remove these. And here we have some really good thumbnails. I'm going to use this one as an example and I'm going to download it. Now you see, not only can you monetize faceless YouTube channels without revenue, but you can add affiliate links and brand deals and sponsorships. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you found it useful, please help this channel grow, show some love, because I promise you the more love you give, the more value I will be providing. I have some crazy ideas about upcoming videos and I need your support and your subscription to keep going.